Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today I'm going to take you through a cryptocurrency chart. We're going to take a look at VeChain together. VeChain, very interesting chart, but has been in a correction most recently. So we're going to take a look at the relevant support levels and targets. Let's go. So we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. If you've been following us regularly here, you know you can register on the website completely for free and you get all these updates completely for free. Elliott-Wave updates on a daily basis, different asset classes like the S&P 500, stocks, other cryptos. So let's click on the crypto sector. We click on VeChain, and I remember we haven't talked about VeChain for a long time here on this channel, so it's really time to take a look at the VeChain chart again. You get the written update as well on a regular basis. It's regularly updated. You get several support and resistance levels. Always depends a little bit on the chart. Yeah, let's take a look at VeChain's long-term chart first, and then we take a look at the daily chart, which shows us a possible support zone trading area just underneath the price. So that's going to be interesting. So here on the weekly chart, you can see the long-term outlook for VeChain. VeChain is technically still in an accumulation area here on the longer time frame. It's been a very, very long sideways phase. Obviously, what these markets do after strong rallies, and we had a really, really strong rally into the 2021 highs. I mean, a lot of people always think, it can only go up with cryptos. Well, that's not necessarily the case. After a strong rally, the market needs a lot of time to correct. I mean, even the crypto market has to adhere to the principles of market structure. It's that breathing in, breathing out. All these prices are purely made based on investor sentiment, trader sentiment, fear and greed. Fundamentals play a very, very small role only. And it's all about the sentiment. We see it in the stock market as well. We see it in the gold market. When there are really these significant rallies, we get a lot of those corrections, which take a long time. In crypto, it's very, very special because the volatility is so high that after such a strong rally, I mean, the market just needs time to correct. This is what the Elliott-Waves essentially teach us as well. We have an initial rally, which we label as a wave 1. And then this long correction is a wave 2. But after that, we should get a third wave rally, which is, as I mentioned it in many other videos as well about different cryptocurrencies, the strongest rally of a trend. Now, if we take a look at the chart here, you can see the third wave is likely going to take us to 57.9 cents at least. So it is sort of the minimum expectation for this third wave. Now, it's impossible to say how long something takes. It takes as long as it takes. I would disregard the timeline on the chart. It's all about we're watching the levels. Elliott-Wave is a great price-based discipline. It's not so good at forecasting how long something takes. There are some tools that can be used, but they are fairly unreliable, really. So what we can do really well with Elliott-Waves is identify possible reversal areas, and therefore it's worth taking a look at the daily chart in a minute as well, because the price is now entering one of these support areas. Now, by the way, before we get to that daily chart, you can see here a breakout point, 28 cents. The market needs to break above that, of course, on the way up to a third wave, to the third wave target. The X wave high will also be a resistance level, but let's first see if on the daily chart we can generate a reversal. Before we take a look at the daily chart, quick reminder, you can let me know in the comments your favorite cryptocurrency or any of the assets that we cover on the website that you want me to cover in a video, and then we'll take a look at that. Also, if you appreciate the free content here on YouTube, make sure that you hit the like button. Would be great, highly appreciated, it helps a lot. And also subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So let's take a look at the daily chart then. And here you can see a 5-wave move to the upside that developed into the February highs this year. Since then, the market has been in this correction. I remember the last video, it was a month ago, I talked to you about this ongoing WXY correction and that the correction is likely not finished yet. And yeah, it wasn't finished and it probably still isn't finished, but we are now entering this support zone, which is defined between 1.8 cents and 2.9 cents. The relevant Fibonacci levels, which could generate a buy reaction, are defined between, it's the 61.8 retracement and the 88.7 retracement. What we often find is that a wave 2 finishes in the region of a wave 4 of one lesser wave degree. Now you can can see this orange wave 4 on the screen is very, very close to the area between the golden ratio and the 78.6 retracement. So between the 61.8 fib level and the 78.6 fib level, that means in dollar terms 2.9 cents and 2.2 cents. So in that area I would pay attention for a possible reversal, but at the moment there is not yet any reaction. But this is now the area where I'd really like to see such a buy reaction. Can still go a little lower. There's still plenty of space in that blue trading area. And then if you trade this, or if you use this area to trade, make sure that you understand about risk management. Typically it can make sense to set a stop loss 1% below that box, and then we are going to watch for a reversal, and a rally should take the price above 5.5 cents. And if we get above that 5.5 cent mark, that would be a good signal that the third wave has actually started, and we might then be in the early stages of this larger degree third wave that we see on the weekly time frame. So that's the update about VeChain. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, yeah, feel free to click on the link in the description, register on our website for free, hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to comment, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.